DJ the man with the double back to back, kicking through like this. Whistle crew.
Now is the time.
The whistle posse, where's the vibe? Whistle crew, come alive. Whistle posse, where's the vibe? The whistle crew, where's the night?
Now is the time.
Watch up. Oh yeah. Johnny DJ the man. What's it back? Injector. All the other old bosses for the best nigga.
Now is the time.
That's when the kid is right. Johnny DJ, the man going in like this. E double L with your ride.
Now is the time.
Sample, something so simple. Can you feel a motherfucking good sample? Don't I said it's just so simple. Tell me, can you feel the fucking good sample? Well, this one is the man crew.
Now is the time.
Injector. Hold it down the whistle crew. Hold it down, Mr. Horn, man. Watch it every time.
Now is the time.
Where's the knife? Outside the Northwest posse.
Now is the time.
Big shout out to Robo and Dean. Hold it down. Outside the Preston posse. Big up the chest working. Oh shit! Y'all go like this. Only down to St. Helens crew. We can say every time believe. Johnny DJ the man. No. 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 Give yourself to the dark side.
Give yourself.
To the dark side.
No.
Oh yeah. Whistle posse making the noise. DJ Brisbane to party session. I'm making you get feeling that you never felt before. Now when you get this feeling, you're gonna want it more and more. Move your body to the dance floor. Tell the DJ team and that's what he can't ignore. Let me love me too. Love me and just love me too. Love me and just love me too. Johnny D whoa, digga da da digga da da. Johnny D whoa, digga da da digga da da. Johnny D whoa, digga da da digga da da. Yeah.
No.
Yeah, keep moving on this. Johnny DJ, the man with the double up back to that one time. Holding down the horn crew. Big up. Whistle massive. I am a nutter, original bad man nutter. I am the original bad man nutter. Bad man nutter. I am a fucking man nutter. Big shout out to DJ Francis outside the legend. Big up. All the time, the Unity and Flash. Rachel, one more time. All the time, DJ B, my gay guy. So hey, that's gonna kill out this crew. That's what just came in the mix. Yeah! I'm picking up your own numbers right now. Sound DJ, the man coming in. Move that, move your body. Move your body. Move your body. I want you, move your body. Where's the whistle crew? That's just what it's right. Whistle crew! Are you ready to work with the 5? You got to understand the fun. Waking up your body now, I'm bringing in your run. It's not hard, just try. We're waking up your body, bring it into your eye. Outside of Manchester, MS5 firm. Big on the chest. You shouted something, I can't you see? Now my body rushing on ecstasy. Happens to be true. I only want to rush with you. With the ride we going. Definitely not slowing. Waking up your body, I'm gonna take it higher. Not trying to stop, I said that, not trying to retire. You gotta wake up and move your body, number the 5. Sound the DJ game, through it, give it down, oh watch it. Never mind, can we just kick it like this? Sound DJ, the man, we get it right this time. It's the sound we do go. Coming in the line. Are you ready now for the music to take you on the line? You got to work your body with me. Gonna get you working on your ease. On your ease. Well, we got to the other side. Bang it. Just take me away to the place that I love to be. Yeah. Where's the whistle party now? I'm working with the 5. Hold it down on the bouncing massive. 1, 2. I'll try to send Alan's crew. Oi, oi! Where's the noise for DJ Demand? Tic-tac-toe, time to let it go. Sound of me, the blow with the demand in full control. Tic-tac-toe, time to let go. Sound of DJ Demand in full control. Rock it for the hardest song, that's how we do it. That's who's in the mix, we'll watch it. I'll tell all about me cross through. You got a chance. Now we get it right. I'll try to dent me posse. Hold it down. Like this. pussycat, pussycat. Now they're going round and round. Shout out to MC Double L Plus and Tube with the DJ the man. Music takes me round and round and round. I'm on another rush. Oh, it's another bus. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We are really killing these bars every time. On it down to 10 dollars, let's do one more time. Whoa. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Whistle Posse, make some noise! Health and perception, that's how we tell. Sound of DJ Man with E-double-L. You got to understand the buzz. You got to understand the buzz. Well, the rock and roll and that's before. Kick it up every time. We're on a journey now in this land. Sound up the E-double-L with the DJ Demand. You got to wake your body, get into the feeling. I got your feet on the floor, your head is up to the ceiling. Oh, we're getting even harder now. No mercy, believe me. Just watch a mix like this. Come on! I'm the king of rock, days and higher. I want some time until I retire. I am the king of rock, days and higher. I want some time until I retire. Little investigator, master my creator. E-double-L is the crash simulator. Investigator, navigator. Hold it down, DJ D-Man is a stimulator. Hold it down, Wesley. Hold it down, Craig. Hold it down, Thorpe. Hold it down, Patterson. That's come from Dudley. Dudley Green, outside. Where's the whistle crew? Oh, yeah. Oh, what an atmosphere. I don't party without the atmosphere, yeah. Oh, we'll be dancing there. You feel me rushing in the cool night. Yeah. I keep working with the vibe. All jumping together with the same interest. Just close your eyes, forget your name, forget the world, forget the people. Old school business. Keep rolling, crew. And we're sending this tune out to Lee Wild. 18 tonight from the Matlock crew. Outside Lee Wright. 18 tonight at Kinetic. Move on, daddy. Scouts are out there. Everybody say what this here, big up. Music's so wonderful. The music's so wonderful. Music's so wonderful. Watch it. The atmosphere beside by the laser. Check. Sending this tune out to the Newtown posse. 87 people come down from Wales tonight. Celebrating DJ Respect for doing it right. Big shout out to all the dot posse coming from the man. Hold it down. One, two, one, two. One, two, one, two. Check one, check two, check three.
1, 2, 1, 2.
Oh yeah.
1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2,
I'm gonna
1,
leave
2.
this one up to you. What's your crew?
1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2.
1, 2, 1, 2.
1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2.
1, 2, 1, 2.
1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2.
Wicked job on the high.
1, 2, 1, 2.
Rock and roll your man here.
1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2.
Time to DJ the man crew.
1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2.
Enter.
1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2.
Oh yeah, I got the house rocking for a step now. 1, 2, 1, 2. Check one, check two, check three. Are you ready for another round from me? Check one, check two, check three. Here comes another round from me.
1, 2, 1, 2.
On the guy Nelson, back with that. On the John Lovely, on John Nash. That's a bit of a good train of money, Riyadh. Yeah, we just come round the world. In the standard tracks, that's how I like to dance. 1, 2, 1, 2. Who's ready for the vibe? Follow the ride. Only just listen and learn. Kinetic crew kicking at one time. Shout to DJ the man with MC double L coming across.
1, 2, 1, 2.
1, 2, 1, 2. On it down, Mr. Stripe. Whistle crew.
1, 2, 1, 2.
You want the questions, well I give the answers. You want to know what you work your body up faster. Listen to me, cause I'm your MC. We ready enough for the righteous coming with your party. Up and over, taking you in out. I'll be covering the music from the rush without it down. Down to the music, taking it across the land. You know I can come in with the 5, 1, 2, change. Right into the demo. We're going down the mountain. Yeah! I just feel that rush. Can you feel the rush? Can you feel the rush? Can you feel the rush? Can you feel the buzz? There we go. and two to DJ the Man Crew. 10. Can you feel it? Tell me, can you feel it? You should be with a mix like this. Get a DJ cross master safely. On this feeling, that's how we go. That's it, on this, no need to retire, no need to slow. Watch out. Six way to your love, loving on a day to have some fun. Now we go like this. Hold it down the dot, push it out there. That's the noise that I want to hear. After all the scouts is in the place. Rushing around with the vibe. Down DJ, the man with the ride. I got you locked in a feeling, a total ecstasy, yeah. Locked in a feeling, so come and dance with me, yeah.
6 days on the run, looking for a place to have some fun. Night and day without
Your sweet embrace, I'm going crazy.
6 days gray.
Y'all should do all this, good nice to meet you on the phone.
To get you back, night and day without your sweet embrace. I think I'm going crazy. 6 days on the run.
Y'all should do all this nice and easy.
Have some fun, night and day without your sweet embrace.
Down to DJ the Man Crew. 6 days on the run, trying to find a place to have some fun. Night and day without your sweet embrace, I'm going crazy.
Days on the run, looking for a place to have some fun. Night and day
two, 1, 2, 1, 2. Check 1, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. One, two, check, 1, 2, Club Kinetic, how you feeling out there tonight? Come on! Yes, man, you love it. Right about now when the wheels are still DJ Demand, St. Helens crew. It's that time to come alive through the hardcore shuffle. The one and only Club Kinetic, celebrating DJ Britt's birthday, of course. Come on! It's that time to drop your E's. It's that time to move to the groove, come on. Big shout to all the St. Helens crew on the dance floor, all the Scousers, all the Manchester in the house tonight. The one and only Club Kinetic. It's our time to work your rush out there. Right, we're gonna any whistles, any horns, any noise out there tonight. Come on. Can you feel it out there? Can you feel a vibe out there? Can you feel a vibe out there? Listen. All the best in the house once again tonight. In true to the one that MC can't be on mine. Right, wanna see you get your mental out there, Club Kinetic, come on! It's that time to come alive. DJ Bass. Right, don't forget all the best DJs in the house for Britt's birthday tonight. The one out Stu Allen, Carl Slim and also Britt. Right now, demand on the wheels is still big shout dream. As we just warm up the party right now. Open your mind. Expand your mind. Expand your mind tonight. Listen. You got to listen. Can you feel it? Right, can you feel it out there? Right, let's go. As we expand your mind, can you hypnotize? Can you hypnotize? Right, big shout guys out to the North Wales crew in the place. In tune to the one like DJ Demand. All day still up there hardcore on the Friday nights. You gotta jump. Right, check him out, wicked and wild. On the wheels of steel. One like DJ Demand. To let the music play. Right on the wheels of steel, St. Helens. The one like DJ Demand for your mind. Right, the big happy birthday to Nikki. Right, he's banging in on the tunes that tonight for your mind to expand. As we just warm up on the Friday night, of course. The best club in the Northern Hemisphere, the one and only club Kinetic. Kick it. Big shout to all the Formby crew in the place. As we take control of your mind. Nice and easy. Nice and easy each and every time. Right, want to see all the hardcore mental stoppers in the place come alive. If you love the hardcore, make some noise out there, come on. Right, where's the club Kinetic noise out there tonight? Let's get the place rocking. No stopping tonight, come on, let's get the place rocking. Let's kick it out, come on. Happy birthday to Flynn out there. Also Aaron, all the real party in the place. And don't forget you waited all week for this. You got to let it go. You got to go with the flow, come on. Right, big shout to Billy, Louise, Claire, Harvey, Phil, Joel, Bobby, Helen, Paul, Evo. Also back in Christine, Tracy. All the insane mad people, come on. All the Formby crew. He's in the mix. shout all the Star Wars crew. Right, for all you who don't know, this is the one and only Club Kinetic vibe. Come on! Time after time, just a rocking down the right line. Forget about the rest, you got the best, you're feeling fine. Right, everybody make some noise out there, come on! Intro to the one like DJ Demand MC Count. Nice and easy. Your rest to the limit tonight. That's what it's all about. Hardcore ecstasy, hardcore raving. They're never going to stop us. They're never going to bring us down. That's what it's all about. And don't forget the best club in the world. Make some noise for yourselves out there, Club Kinetic. Come on, make some noise. Tonight's gonna be a good one, believe that. We're gonna have a good time. Wicked, wicked. Guys out to the smokers, all the Russians. Big shout to Tasha. Big shout Lisa Loud. Stripes, man. Hope you had a good week last week. Here it comes. Here it comes. The hardcore. Here comes the hardcore each and every Friday night. Hardcore ravers, you know you rule the world, but the government say you got to do what you're told. Policemen will stop you, get out your car. They're gonna set your body cause they're taking it too far. Come on! That's right, policeman, fuck you. You know it. Wicked, can you feel the rush out there? Right, listen.
Move to the rhythm, it's here to stay. Move your body, move to the rhythm. Move your body, move to the rhythm. Move your body, move to the rhythm. Move to the rhythm, it's here to
You got to
stay.
listen.
Move your body, move your body. Move your
And don't forget you're in tune to the one on DJ Demand. Sounds like it's St. Helens vibe. Goes out to all those who like to ride the rhythm, ride the bass line. It sounds of the underground. And don't forget you're in tune to Club Kinetic's very own MC Count each and every Friday night right here for you. This is the house Kinetic built. as we let the music hypnotize your mind. Right, everybody make some noise out there for DJ Brisk. Happy birthday to you. Come on! Of course, my partner in crime. Right, don't forget, Brisk's gonna get all the drinks in tonight. Here it comes. Here it comes. Right, we got some hardcore in the place tonight. We got the place warmed up. We got the right time. Right, big shout to the Tampon crew, all the North Wales crew out there, you know who you are. And nice and easy each and every time for your mind, gonna hypnotise. As we take you to the TRP top, that's what it's all about, taking you higher and wider. Higher, wider. As we give you the right vibe, take it wider. The best feeling in the world each and every time.